In this segment, we're going to show you how to install the golf bag mount. All of the CycleBoard handles are the same diameter, so you can install the golf bag mount on any of our models. The golf bag mount's a great accessory item if you want a dual-purpose vehicle that you can use on and off the golf course. So your golf bag mount accessory includes the sand bottle for divot repair, the lower and upper golf bag mounts, hardware, and golf bag mount brackets. You'll need a 5mm and 6mm Allen wrench and a 10 and 13mm socket. First, we'll install the sand bottle for divot repair. Next, we'll take the smallest 2 screws and our bottle attachment bracket, thread these in, and then these line up with our bottle holder like so. And then we grab a washer and the 2 smallest nuts to secure it from the inside. We take our 5mm Allen wrench and our 10mm socket. The socket will hold the nut on the inside while we tighten the screw on the outside with our Allen. Next, we'll want to mount our bottle holder onto the bottom bag mount. And with these 2 holes right here, and these 2 holes, it lines up like so. We'll use our next 2 smallest screws kind of hold it steady with one hand, and then we can put our washers and nuts on the inside here to secure the bottle holder. Then we'll use our 6mm Allen wrench and our 13mm socket to tighten these 2 down. So we'll hold the nut on the inside with the socket, tighten the bolt head with the Allen wrench. So the upper and lower bag mounts, as well as the brackets, include a rubber insert to protect the handle from being damaged. You'll want to install the lower bag mount just above the knuckle here. With the included largest 4 bolts, washers, and lock nuts. We're going to use the 6mm Allen wrench and 13mm socket to hold and tighten both ends. For the upper golf bag mount, you want to install it about a 1/2 inch below the wiring at the top of the handle, with the same 4 screws and lock nuts that we used on the bottom bag mount. And on the top, we'll use a 13mm wrench to hold the nut and our 6mm Allen wrench to tighten the bolt. After you've tightened all 8 bolts, make sure the top and bottom bag mounts are both secure so it won't shift on the golf course when you're playing. Don't forget your sand bottle. You're ready to hit the course. The way your golf bag mount straps work, simple press and release, can tighten and loosen once you install your golf bag to make sure it's nice and tight. There's a non-slip surface so your bag won't slip on the bottom when you're ready to play.